This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. You need your Google login and a modern iPhone iOS. First, open Settings and tap Mail, then Accounts. This is faster than opening Gmail. Tap Add Account, choose Google, and sign in with your credentials. Once done, make sure Contacts is toggled on in the account settings. This tells iOS to import Google Contacts into your Contacts app. You're starting the sync now. Wait a moment for initial contact download before moving to verification steps. Once the account is added, open the Contacts app to verify your Google Contacts appear. If not, tap Groups in the top left and ensure your Google account is selected. This filters visibility. Next, go to Settings, Contacts, Default Account, and choose your Google account if you want new contacts saved there automatically. This prevents duplicates across iCloud or other providers. Also check Settings, Mail Accounts fetch new data to ensure push or appropriate fetch interval, so changes update promptly between devices. Finish by confirming two-way sync. Add a test contact on your iPhone and check Google Contacts on the web. If changes don't appear, force refresh Contacts by pulling down in the app or disable and re-enable Contacts in Settings, Accounts, Google. For duplicate entries, use Google Contacts Web Merge or an iPhone app to consolidate. One key troubleshooting tip: if contacts are missing, verify they exist on the Google web interface first. If they do, remove and re-add the Google account or reset network settings to clear sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.